This is Starport Marina on the Trent-Severn Waterway. Beautiful spot. You can see the channel markers clearly from up here, red and green buoys marking the safe passage between these islands. Every boat that comes through here has to make a simple choice. Which side of that island do you pass on? Get it right, and you're in 10 feet of water headed for a great afternoon. Get it wrong, and that's what this video is about. On this afternoon in late May, a cruiser, looks like a 40-foot-plus aft cabin trawler, was heading southbound past Calf Island. Somewhere around marker S16, they went left instead of right, the wrong side of the island, and within seconds, they found what was waiting over there: rocks. Barely submerged boulders, right below the surface. This boat is now hard aground. From the air, you can see the situation clearly. The hull is sitting in shallow, murky water. You can see rocks breaking the surface just feet from the vessel. The crew is on deck, trying to figure out their next move. There's even a dog up on the bow wearing a life jacket, so somebody was at least thinking about safety today. This is a big, heavy boat. Twin engines, full keel. Once it's up on a rocky shoal like this, you're not just backing off under your own power. The more you try, the more damage you risk to the running gear. It's the kind of situation where you stop, take a breath, and make the call. And that call gets answered. The local fire rescue boat is on scene. You can see them rafting up alongside the trawler. Multiple responders come aboard to assess the situation. They're checking on the crew, evaluating the vessel, trying to figure out if there's a way to get this boat back into deeper water. Those boulders behind both boats tell you everything about how little room there is to work with here. Then the OPP Marine Unit shows up. Now you've got Fire Rescue and Ontario Provincial Police both on scene. A full multi-agency response for what started as one missed navigation mark. 3 vessels together in fading afternoon light. The trawler, the fire rescue boat, and the OPP patrol boat, all working this situation as the sun gets lower. The responders are thorough and professional. They spend well over an hour on scene, assessing, attempting, and ultimately coming to the same conclusion. This boat is not coming off these rocks today. One by one, the rescue boats separate and head back in. The fire rescue departs. The OPP follows. And the trawler sits, right where it's been for the last 2 hours. Generator running. From directly overhead, you can see exactly what's underneath. The rocky shoal is clearly visible through the shallow water. This is what the wrong side of the channel looks like. The crew either stayed aboard overnight or caught a ride to shore from Starport Marina. The boat wouldn't come off the rocks until the following morning. Look, this could happen to anyone. A moment of distraction, an unfamiliar waterway, a mark that doesn't look like what you expected, and suddenly you're having a very different kind of day. The Trent-Severn is a beautiful waterway, but it's full of rocks and shoals that don't forgive mistakes. Know your marks. Trust your chart. And if it doesn't look right, slow down, stop, and figure it out before you're the one up on the rocks. Safe travels out there.